Hello, and welcome to the Everyday Miracle with Denise. Today is June 26, 2022, and today I've pulled a card from the Enchanted Map Oracle deck, and I've pulled card number 10, Rock Bottom. And the meaning of this card is surrender and acceptance are the keys to freedom. So, as difficult as it may be to accept, it seems that you've reached a point where you can go no further, and not in the same manner in which you've been doing things. Perhaps you've hit a proverbial brick wall or experienced a deep sense of loss and don't know where to turn. The only way out is through surrender. Accept things as they are and admit that you have no idea what to do next. The rock bottom card is a sign that a miracle is about to occur, but only if you let go completely. So if you like this video, subscribe,